Friday night show, ready to get some action.
Appetite to sex, 'cause me so horny.
Well, not that kind of action, but hopefully some making money action. We did come out earlier, and we had the camera ready, and we're ready to film some morning time adventures, and we had none. I literally went almost 2.5 hours without a Spark offer. I think 2 Doordash offers combined, none of which were takeable. So we just went home and did some errands around the house and tried. Oh, we're gonna try again. So we're shooting, it's about 5 o'clock now. Could probably go till 8:30. We'll see if we can make $100. That's probably optimistic. Anything around 60 to 80 I'll probably be happy with. But we're heading to the zone now. I'll let you know what I get. All right, quoting Travel JB Dasher's favorite song.
It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday.
It's Friday. It is 5:24 p.m., or perhaps you could see it up there, 5:24 p.m. Where the money at? What is that? Now, mind you, I am at Walmart because that's just my preferred hangout spot. If I get a nighttime Spark order, it's gonna pay me more than 5 Doordash orders. And I'm still in an area. I got a Panera, I got Chipotle, I got Five Guys, I got Chick-fil-A, I got Chili's, I got Bertucci's, which is a chain Italian joint out here. A couple mom and pop shops. I got a Moe's. We got plenty of ish out here in this area. We have a downtown area, which, see, we got some hot spots. So this is where I am here. I could be here. I don't want to be there. I could be here. I don't want to be there. So we got places we can be, but this is usually the best place. Like, my area is hubs. There's a place up here, place over there, place down there, place down there, place over here. We don't just have a big strip. We have like different areas. So like, you'll get orders, and if you get a long distance order, you want to make sure it's taking you to one of those hubs, if you will. So this is the best hub to be in, but evidently not. So it is early, it's summertime. Maybe people are ordering late. Maybe everyone's just having a barbecue. A barbecue. And they didn't invite me. And the only way they're gonna invite me is with a big order and a tip. But we gonna keep waiting and waiting. And if we keep waiting, I'm just going home. But hopefully not. So we'll wait and see. All right, I think I left here on 5:12. It's not 5:52. I did turn down probably 3 orders. I got 2 shops that were for the other Walmart 15 miles away. But we finally took something. I mean, it's a good order, I mean, numerically, but it's a Friday night and it's not going to excite me at all, but it's something. I go get a tropical smoothie. It's going to be like 2 miles. So, hey, hold the phone here. All right, so we just got, what do I do? We just got a $41 shopping order. I don't know what to do. Do I try to stack it and risk getting it taken away from me? You know what? We're gonna risk it for the biscuit. Tropical smoothies usually pretty quick, so I think we should be able to do both. So let's go grab this smoothie and come back for a very big Spark order. Let's go. Literally record time that was already ready, so let's go. All right, I would like to point out that the Spark order is a big one. It is 41 items, and it is going 9 miles deep into another town, but it's another town that has stuff. Remember what I said earlier about my areas being hubs? So the area up there is like another hub. There's a bunch of there's a grocery store, there's a McDonald's, a KFC, there's a bunch of stuff up there. But this order is gonna take a lot of time. Probably, I would guess, start to finish, maybe an hour, 10 minutes. But we need the money. So, and we also need Walmart not to drop this on us. Walmart is very, very picky. It's very random. It's very moody. Sometimes you can get a shopping order and hold on to it for a half hour. Other times I feel like you can only hold on to it for like 10 minutes. So we'll see what happens, but we are that they're of about 6-7 minutes from this customer for these smoothies, so I'll see you there. Nice painless drop off here, so we will start trip on this. I'm really not excited about this Spark order, if I'm being blatantly honest with you. It is taking me really far out there. I'm just, like I said, it puts me in an area where I still can get stuff. Let me look at this item mix. Soaps, cleaning, cat food, cleaning. So a lot of it is gonna be, cleaning supplies and snacks. So when I say a lot of it is cleaning supplies, I mean a lot of it is cleaning supplies. So yeah, this actually should be pretty easy. All right, we'll start our trip. It's only about 5 minutes back to the store from here, so not really worried about it getting taken away. It says I was supposed to start shopping at 5:57. Based on my general law of averages, I think you get 15 minutes from there before you start getting in trouble, so it won't take me 10 minutes to get back. Oh, this is another point. We have finally got the double shops introduced in my area. They were announced a while back, but we haven't seen them in our area until this week. So I don't want to do them, but for the sake of YouTube content, if I get one, I will. Maybe for all we know, we'll get one sent to us afterwards, but we gotta bang this out. 41 items, 9 miles. It'll take a while, but let's see if we can speed through it. Let's go. All right, I think we walked in and took that one at 6:10. We're at 6:40 right now, headed out to the customer, and it's gonna be a 15-minute drive, so that'd be 45 minutes really elapsed on this order, which is kind of right on pace with how long I hoped it would take. So that still gives us plenty of time. It's, like I said, around 6:45 right now. I'll get there at 7. Heading back to this area maybe 10 past 7, so maybe we'll be able to catch the end of dinner, maybe a late night grocery. That'll put us at 48 bucks. 60 was the low end of my goal, so it's still all within reasonability here. Again, I kind of want to go till 8:30 at the most. Not really feeling a long day, but we'll see what happens. Let's go. All right, we just dropped that order off, and coming out of the woodworks today is Grubhub with a banger order here, $39
to the buzzer, bang!
For a lot of miles. But the beauty of this is it's on my way home. So this will put us at, so that 40, a $7 Doordash, that'd be $87, and maybe about, let's say, right at the 3 hours I wanted. So we're gonna be late. I don't know Grubhub's leniency level. It says it wants me to be there at 7:04. It's now 7 and I'm 14 minutes away, so I'll be 10 minutes late. Does it tell me? I'm gonna screen record. Does it tell me when I have to deliver it by? I don't know this interface very well. Yeah, he's got a bunch of stuff. They did notify me that it's ready. Drop off. I'll just blur that out. Original Diner ETA 7:33. Well, Eric, we gonna have to speed to you, and we have full intent on speeding to you. So let's just do the math here. We're gonna get to Sushi Joy, it's called. It's a local sushi place. We're gonna get there at, oh my God, I'm trying to navigate on the fly here, not yabber. We're gonna get there. I wanted, what did I say, 15 minutes, so 7:15. It's about a 20-minute, oh, we're gonna be right on the money. You should get your stuff right on the money, Eric. I will make sure of it. I will do my Lightning McQueen as I pass a cop here and drive the legal speed limit. I will do everything in my power to get you your sushi on time, Eric. Let's go. Red lights, come on. Don't you know that I got places to be? Come on. All right, 17 minutes, 7:31. We will be there. Oh, shut up, Siri. Sun is in my eyes. We will be there on time with 2 minutes to spare under ideal circumstances. So, challenge accepted. Let's go.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Ooh, let's go racing, boys!
Stop sign, turn left onto Colony Village, then turn left onto Colony Place Road.
$7:17, $7:30, $7:17, $7:30. We got this. We got this. All right, just dropped that one off. The guy was super nice. Clearly he was not mad at how long it took. I was 3 minutes early, so that works out. He actually commented on my carb, so we're good. So really nice way to end the day. I did, just for shits and giggles, turn on Doordash. I'm in a different zone. There's really not much on this side of it, but you know, there's a minuscule chance that maybe I'll get an order for a grocery store, but I doubt it, you know, just throwing a flyer out there. But either way, a nice short video. It'll end us up, again, right around $87. The exact will be right here or here, wherever there's more space. But yeah, you know, some days, you know, to cue Mike Breen, bang! You just get bang, bang, bang! Just like nailing 3-pointers. Other days, you know, it feels like you're just making free throws all day. So it's really nice. I hit my goal and I'm gonna be home by 7:40. So can't really complain about that. But make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. We're gonna be doing some more content next week and maybe this weekend even. So that is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.